How to play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can play YouTube videos on TikTok Live. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in. Also make sure that your account have the eligible criteria in order to access the live feature, and also make sure to check your availability reason. So if you have the live feature available in your account, then tap on the plus icon from your home page at the bottom of this interface. Once you land on there, at the very bottom there you'll have an option as live. Tap on live. After that, if you see the TikTok does not have a built-in feature to stream YouTube videos directly on TikTok Live. However, if you navigate at the bottom right, there you'll find an option as mobile gaming. Tap on it. Now once you tap on mobile gaming, you can simply tap on go live option with the red color. After you tap on go live, your mobile screen will start streaming. Then you can close your TikTok application and play YouTube videos, and your videos will be streamed in TikTok Live. And that's the only way to play YouTube videos on TikTok Live, through the mobile gaming feature. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.